Today we're talking about how you go about getting started in the crypto DeFi ecosystem. I wrote some stuff down. I hope it's decent. It's mostly like a video for you to act if you're interested in getting started. It might not be very detailed just for how my videos normally are, but it should help you at least if you want to get started. Like the exchanges, fiat to crypto, we got some non-KYC exchanges to get into the DeFi ecosystem itself. And then we got your usual metamask stuff, set all that goodness up. And then just like bridging to different networks through the 8-4 like bridge list. You just like pick one of these bridges and go between all the different networks. You have to like commit to like signing up to everything. So you have to like sign up to all this stuff, and you have to get your metamask ready. It might take you like a good hour. The video itself was pretty short, so first is just like the fiat to crypto. So I have 4 Canadian exchanges. The Virgo CX, used this one once. Newton haven't used. A-Trade we used quite a bit, and the ShakePay used quite a bit. You pick your favorite one you want to use, and this is just like fiat to crypto. And you take your ShakePay example. It's got like nothing here, but you'd be sending your money over to one of these other exchanges after you have bought it. So you buy it on this exchange, and they send over to the other exchange. I don't know if there's an easy way to do it, but like the only reason why I have to do this is because the crypto DeFi portion is not like support on any of these exchanges that I mentioned. They have the Ethereum one, of course, but we're talking about like the Binance Smart Chain, which is going to be on all of these exchanges. Maybe you can buy crypto on crypto.com. I haven't tried it. But this plan is Bitcoin. So what I normally do is I just send Bitcoin over to the Mandala exchange. I'm just saying non-KYC exchange. You can sign up and all that good stuff. And it has really cheap fees. It has the Binance fees basically. They throw that guy in. For some reason, ShakePay takes a really long time to withdraw Bitcoin and send it to the wallet. Maybe like 2 hours sometimes. 2 hours, like, is a really long time for no reason. Once you do that, you go to your balances and you find what you have. I have USD right now. You can go ahead and trade it. BNB actually. Yep, it's some BNB. BTC going on. And yep, you get that. You're gonna go ahead and withdraw it out of here. And this is where you have to like do a lot of stuff. So you have to like set up your metamask wallet, and then you go about going on to the chainlets.org website, and you get the spreadsheet network. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of hard to go in depth with like these different exchanges. They kind of all do the same thing. These are like crypto to crypto ones, all these ones, and these are just like fiat to crypto. And then you have your metamask, which is like your access to all the DeFi stuff. And then the Solana Sulfur wallet, which is another great wallet, and that's how we've been buying all the Solana NFTs. So metamask, you have that set up. Your Sulfur wallet, you have that set up. Now let's talk a little bit about the bridges. So on 8-4.finance, you can go over here and go into the bridge section. I'll just put in the description. And you just pick whenever you want to go to. So the most common one that we'd like to go to is the Solana one. So the best one right now is going to be the allbridge. Please go over here, and then you launch it, and then you choose who you want. You just bridge that guy over here, and you want BUSD. Then you just connect your wallet in. Has this process, and you choose how much you want over. it has some sort of fee. I'll actually just send it. So you paste your address in, and then you just like send it. The next best bridge to use is going to be the xpollinate.io bridge. You can bridge to the Polygon network for a very cheap fee. You pick what you want, USDC, and you can go ahead and bridge that. The stable swaps. So essentially we have the usual pancake swap. Everyone knows and loves pancake swap. Everyone likes to swap on here, got your coins and stuff. But then it's also gonna have to be stable swap. So this one and the allbridge one are different, right? This one is USD and this one's USDC. So there are these stable swap protocols that allow you to save on some of the fees associated with swapping. So this one I like using the most, called finance, but there's also Zapper. Zapper.fi. And you can choose what you want. So I put like 1,000 in, and then I get 999. Versus you can do the same here, and it should just be like a little bit less. These are like 995. So yeah, it can make a difference. But that is everything basically. So yeah, if you're confused or anything, you might be confused. I don't know if I explained it that well, but basically, I can go over again. Show money, fiat, crypto, take your crypto, throw in here, exchange it to the BNB, buy a smart chain, and then set your metamask, stuff like that, feed out, and then add it in, and then you're in buy a smart chain. Now you can do whatever you want. And we're like using PancakeSwap to swap to other tokens, and then you can bridge to other networks by using the allbridge for Solana, and you can use xpollinate. Now when it goes to swapping them, if you have BUSD already or any other stable coins, you can use a stable swap, and those will save you fees compared to usual.